Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Bathanda bomkosi, what a plot twist. Hi, Bo. This was really unexpected. Bathanda bomkosi, this past Sunday, we were celebrating Mother's Day. We were posting our mothers and showing some appreciation to them and all of that. Casper Nyovest posted his wife Bulane and wrote and wished her a happy and a blessed first Mother's Day to her. But goes, and then out of nowhere, boom, a picture of Tobeka, Casper Nyovest's first baby mama, and his wife Pulane with their children. But they are both smiling in that picture and they appear to be happy, which shocked the internet because the last time we heard of Utobeka, it was when she made Batari Bomkosi a dramatic scandal alleging that Casper Nyovest cheated on her allegedly while their son was battling with cancer. Their son was in and out of the hospital, whereas Casper was out there chasing women. It was also alleged that the very same woman that Casper was busy chasing is the current wife. Yo, I can't even breathe, but because what a humiliation ritual was that if those rumors were indeed true. Because Casper Nyovest never cleared the rumors, but he only stated that they planned and they agreed that they were going to keep the status of their son's health privately. He never expected it to be on the public platform the way Tobega made it to be. That is what Casper Nyovest said, but based on those allegations that we put on him. He never said anything about cheating on Tobega, breaking her heart, and also cheating with the current wife, allegedly, who then replaced Tobega. So people are mad about at what is happening. They're saying that Aisha Tobeka is a kind and a respectful woman. She is indeed the woman of God because she managed to put aside her differences with the baby daddy and she's allowing her son to grow up with his younger sibling. Others, they are criticizing her, saying that Aisha Denada will never do that because this man humiliated her on the public platform. But he cheated on her with the very same woman allegedly, and now she has to play house with her. It is getting too much. But they're saying that Aisha, this is indeed a fake relationship. They do not believe that indeed Tobeka is or did forgive the situation. Maybe she is trying or showing face. Perhaps she is still in love with Casper Nyovest allegedly. There's a lot that is going on with this story. But please do leave a comments down below. What do you think? Do you think Tobeka did forgive Casper Nyovest and the current wife Upulane, or she's just doing it for the sake of his son so that the son can grow up with his sibling? Please do leave your comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, join me next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.